up to an empty bed, life hanging by a thread. How could you let me ruin us and our future plans? My mind's not lost in trance, screaming at the top of my lungs, let's go back to the way we used to be. I'm holding on to the hope that one day we will figure things out. I keep searching to find a way, a way for us to see the light and be alright again. Too much hurt and it's not okay. If we make it through the night, we'll be alright again. Be alright. Be alright.
Don't wake me up now. I'm not happy living my reality. Sleep makes me do well. Just gotta move on and not dwell. I know it's not right, I just wanna sleep tight. Cause every time I have a good night, every time I wake up I realize I still have no one. I dream of things I can never have. Why am I reminded every night? Please give me some nightmares so I can be happy when I wake up. Sleep is my enemy, making me feel too happy. Reminds me I'm lonely. Why do you do this to me? I can see my best life and having the best time, and I never ever wanted to end, but it's all a dream, and I'm always sad every time that I wake up. I dream of things I can never have. Why am I reminded every night? Please give me some nightmares so I can be happy when I wake up. I dream of things I can never have. Why am I reminded every night? Please give me some nightmares so I can be happy when I wake up. I dream of things I can never have. Why am I reminded every night? Please give me some nightmares so I can be happy when I wake up. I dream of things I can never have. Why am I reminded every night? Please give me some nightmares so I can be happy when I wake up.
Calling manifesting, but I'm the power present. It's all my choice, my rules. You don't get a say in what I do, cause what I do doesn't concern Just don't forget who you are. Your life, your rules. You make your rules. You make your rules. You make your rules. New rules. It's in your rules. New rules. You make your rules. New rules. You make your rules. New rules. You make your rules. Hurry, there is so much time to waste, don't be so fuzzy. Cause I'ma be with someone else when it gets here, darling. Don't you see, I move 1,000 miles per hour, 1,000 miles per hour. So don't be a slowpoke or I'll get you in my boat before you know it. But you won't know at all. People say think twice, but if I'm on your mind, you gotta push on that gas and make it here fast, cause I've got places to be. If I'm a player, then say all your prayers. It's gonna shoot right through your heart. The impact will be strong, so you better hold on, watch out for me. But if you want it more, we can do it in slow-mo. If you want it more, we can slow-mo. If you want more, if you want more, we can do it in slow-mo, in slow-mo. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, bee. Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, bee. Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, bee. Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy Monday, Friday, not today. I'm busy, bee. Monday, Friday, not today. Every time you ask me out, I say maybe next time. Have so many things to do, so boy, just get in line. You need to book a schedule if you wanna cross my mind. You will have to wait, but I am sure it's worth a try.